Hello, everyone, and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Have you ever wished you could access your emails even when there's no internet? Whether you're on a plane, traveling, or experiencing a network outage, Gmail Offline has you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Gmail Offline, what it can and can't do, and how to manage your emails without being connected. So let's dive right in. Gmail Offline is a feature that lets you read, search, and write emails all without needing an internet connection. Once you go online again, Gmail will automatically send and sync everything. But to use it, you'll need to enable it first, and I'll show you how. So, here's how to set up Gmail Offline on your computer. Just go to the right side and click on the gear that is the settings icon, and then just click on the see all settings option. Then you would need to go to the offline tab, which is just right here. And once you go there, just check the box that says enable offline mail. So once you check it, now you can choose your settings. As you can see, here it says sync settings, and here it says store emails from the last dash days. So from here you can choose whatever days you want to save your email from. It could be 7, 30, or 90. Decide whether to keep offline data on your computer or remove it when you sign up. So I'm going to choose here 90 days. And then from the security section, you can choose whether to keep your offline data on your computer or remove it when you sign out. Here I'm going to choose the remove offline data from my computer. Once you're done, hit the save changes and then just click on got it. And then Gmail will start downloading your emails to your device. Now, even if you lose internet, you can still access your Gmail without any stress. Now you can go ahead and turn off your internet or go into airplane mode, then open Gmail in Chrome, and you'll still be able to read emails, search through them, and even write replies or compose new emails. And any messages that you write will go into the outbox and automatically send once you reconnect. So now here's a quick heads up. Here's what you can't do offline in Gmail. First, you can't download new emails. Second, no attachments can be received while offline. And you can't access labels that haven't been synced. And lastly, only works in Google Chrome on desktop and not on mobile yet. But for checking recent emails or drafting replies on the go, it is a lifesaver. Well, so that was it. That is how you check your Gmail offline. Perfect for travel to remote areas or just staying productivity without Wi-Fi. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box. Thank you and have a nice day.